Hello guys, welcome to App Mentor. Today we are going to uncover the easiest way to get peppercorn in one's human. So first open up your map and head to the Red Sands area and specifically go to the Black Fell safe house. So you can teleport to this location. Once you arrive, find the NPC named Lacey. She is located near a building that looks like a bar. Lacey runs a shop where you can purchase peppercorn easily. So, in Lacey's shop, you can buy up to 3 peppercorns. Each peppercorn costs about 50, I think. Yeah, 50 energy links. Simply confirm your purchase to get your peppercorns. You can also buy peppercorn seeds from Lacey. Each seed costs 1000 energy links and you can purchase up to 3 seeds per week. Plant these seeds in loamy soil or planter boxes at your base to grow peppercorns. While you can find peppercorns in supply crates across the game's open world, this method is less reliable compared to buying them directly from Lacey. That's it for today's guide on how to get peppercorn in one's human. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to App Mentor and ring the bell icon for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and good luck out there.